It's time for the big reveal of the newest Planything subscription. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm very excited. These are the June subscription kits from Planything. Today is the big reveal. I have the washi tape subscription kit. It is called Pastel Beach, and the planner subscription kit is called Reading Through the Seasons. I cannot wait to check these out. If you are interested in checking out these kits, I do have an affiliate link down below for Planything. Today is the day, June 15th, that the kits open for new members. So be sure to head over before all of the spots are filled up. They are limited. I have the affiliate code and an affiliate link for you to check out in the description box. So today, let's open up and check out these brand new kits. Okay, we're going to start with the washi tape kit. Washi tape from Planything, one of my favorite things of all times. Ooh, oh, it's seashells. Oh, you guys. Okay, I'm going to unwrap these in just a second, but let me just show you real fast. You get 6 washis, and 2 of them have seashells on them. They are in these beautiful pastels. Let me get them open, and I will swatch them out for you. Okay, so here are the beautiful washis. You have 2 blues. This one has some gorgeous seashells on it. I'm loving the pink with the clamshells on it. You know I love the scallop. This is a beautiful peachy color, very soft, perfect for the summer. Then you also have what I consider to be mermaid scales. That's what I'm calling those. And then a grid. This color combo, you guys, is just like perfection. I'm so excited. Loving, loving, loving this combo so much. So this is the new washi tape subscription. If you sign up today, if you sign up in this subscription cycle, this is the first one that you will receive. And then you receive it in your mail every month. It's such a wonderful surprise. And the best thing about Planything washi tapes is that they go with so many things. They're not so specific that you can't use them in multiple types of planner spreads or journaling or card making or whatever the case may be. I love her washi tapes and grab for them all the time. Okay, so besides the washi tape subscription, there is also a planner subscription, and this one is called Reading Through the Seasons. It is a bigger kit. It always includes different types of goodies, but the thing that everyone loves is the sticker book. Lots of goodies this time around, so we will check it all out. So first off, you do get washi tapes that are exclusive to the subscription kit. So these washi tapes are always different from the washi tape subscription. These are 3 exclusive ones. And the same thing with the washi tape subscriptions. Those are available just as part of the subscription. So this, you can only pick these up through this kit. This one, you guys, look at all of the beautiful writing. I'm getting all the junk journal feels. I love this one. That one has got to be my favorite. And then this one is a hexie, but it looks a little bit different because the in-between is actually this color. It's the khaki kind of color, which is very different and unique. So I love these 3 washis. These are definitely going to coordinate with what we see in the rest of the kit. I love that she gives this to us. And like I said before, these are neutral enough that they're going to go with multiple things. You're not going to just use them just for this kit. They're going to go with different types of spreads and crafts that you're working on, which is fantastic. Then in the kit, we also get a little notepad. I have been using these to the max. I have them all over my house because it's a busy time and I just have them to write notes on. It's so fun when it's cute. The first or the front page, the front of it has the sand, you have the book with the seashells, the little seaside library. I love that. And then on the back, you have a fall themed reading. So I feel like you could take the cardboard backing off and you could just flip it to whatever side you wanted to do. These are really helpful and really useful. I love that she includes those for all of us stationery lovers. Just can't get enough. Then we have dashboards. What these are card stock sheets, a little thicker than your average paper. And you can use these in several different ways. Some people like to use them as dashboards in their planners. So they punch the edges and then pop them into their planners as a decorative element. You could add photos on the back, add a list on the back, whatever you would like for a seasonal touch. You could also just cut these up. Like you could trim this out and use this piece as a big paper piece in your planner. You could use them to make cards. There's lots of different ways to use these, and I think they're so beautiful. And you can see the different seasons. We have fall. This one definitely is all the spring feels, and this is summer. Super pretty. So those are the papers included. And last and certainly not least would be the brand new sticker book, Reading Through the Seasons. Like I said, it's a full-size Planything sticker book. It has 434 stickers and 20 sticker sheets in here. And this is going to be so fun. I know there's so many readers out there. You guys are going to love this, especially the seasonal twist on it, I think is a lot of fun. All right, this is like our beach reads, you guys. You have all of the books with the seashells, bright colors. The thought of a seaside library, that sounds like such a good idea. How fun is that? That's just beautiful. Love 2 pages of this one. This is on clear sticker paper, by the way. I like the drink. Yep. Give me a great drink and a book. You have the umbrella set up, beautiful scenery. It's just beautiful. I love the concept of the reading through the seasons. Here it is on clear still. Then we go straight into fall. Again, these are all clear stickers. Fall is my absolute favorite. I don't want to rush this year for sure, but I love the fall. Look at the sweet puppy and the cat on top of the pile of books. Fall just says, curl up with a good book. I love it. And the tea right here. Beautiful scenes. More fall scenes. They're just so pretty. I love them. Look at that bookshelf. Fall has such a calming effect, like the look of fall. Now, the actual busyness of fall, it's a busy time, but the look of fall pieces just brings a calm to me that I love. Then we get into winter. We're starting to see snow. We have some berries, some gingerbread and pine cones mixed in. That's curl up with a blanket, that's for darn sure. And cookies, yes please. A couple pages of winter, then we go into spring. You have the butterflies and florals, much brighter colors. Those are beautiful. A couple pages of spring. So it looked like we had 4 pages of summer, 4 pages of fall, and then 2 of winter, 2 of spring. Then we get into a few functional stickers. I will say this book has less functional stickers than we're used to seeing from Planything. I'm not mad about it. I love all the decorative elements that she included this time around. Beautiful. All the different bookstores. Look at the one in Paris, you guys. All the bookstores. Great scenery. Those are lovely. And then I'm super excited about this. These are alpha stickers. They're a good size, all capitals, and you get 2 pages of each one. So like 8 letter E's. That's pretty awesome. Big fan of that. Love. I feel like you're going to be able to spell out a lot. Those are fabulous. Loving those. All right, so that is Reading Through the Seasons. Here is everything that you get as part of that particular kit. And then, of course, we have the washi tape kit separately as well. Now, June 15th is when the new subscriptions open. So if you want to receive this kit as your first kit, I would head straight over to Planything, check the affiliate link that I have in the description box down below and the code. These are going to fill up fast. So she has a limited number of subscriptions available. So if this is one that you're going to want, you definitely want to head on over and grab that up. Same thing with the washi tape subscription. I think the washi tape one is probably even more popular than the planner one, just because everyone loves Amber's washi tape. She just knocks it out of the park every single time. Head on over, grab those up if you're interested, and let me know which season of reading did you like the most. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. We are in the midst of planner camp and having a fabulous time over on Patreon. It is not too late to join in the planner camp fun. You can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.